friends, Running Kimono here. We have a $6 moneymaker and a $30 basket of free joy over at Walgreens, and we have 90% off of one food item that I found and a lot of frozen food items at 75% off. A lot of us, struggling with the food budget. So this is definitely a way. Use Walgreens cash and get a lot of that frozen food on the cheap, and we'll talk about that. If you could do me a huge favor and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. It really helps me out to get this video out there, and it also helps out the channel. If you could just take a quick second and like the button, I would be so grateful. Okay. Today is the last day of the Dollar General clearance event, where items that are in the clearance section an extra 50% off. And I started looking through the digital coupons this morning at the wee hours because I just can't help myself. And I found an item really cheap. It's this 35 count of the Lysol. It's like some citrus scent. The UPC is right there. So with the dollar digital coupon at a 50% off store, you're paying 57 cents for a 35 count of these Lysol wipes. That's a really good price point. Now at a 70 store, it's a complete freebie, and in Michigan here, the tax is 6%. So I got this completely for free. So that's really fantastic. I'll link my Dollar General clearance video at the end if you wish to watch it, but let's get right into Walgreens right off the bat. Okay, so Tyson grilled and ready chicken. This is on clearance for 75% off at $3.19. Apologies, I didn't get a close-up of that sticker. And we have IBOTTA, this rebate for $2 back. So it makes that bag of chicken $1.19 after everything is said and done. For whatever reason, I think there was a whole bunch in the back and they just brought them in the front of the cooler and they were like, hey, check this out. So 90% off basically for that bag of grilled chicken. That's a fantastic price point. Definitely walk by the freezer today. We also have these, it's like a personal pan pizza by the Screaming Sicilian. My husband really likes this brand, and this is 75% off at $1.19, and it's just a single pizza. And then we have the Jimmy Dean's Delights. Sorry, the tag for that, it fell, but these were 75 cents for this bowl of breakfast magic. Also, some canned goods. We have the half pears for $1 and some change, and the black beans for 49 cents. Mrs. Empty Nester, this is your warning. Get your cooler and go to Walgreens and get your goodies, because I know you love buying food. And then also in that freezer section, let's not forget, guys, we have the 2 for $10 with the Oscar Mayer bacon. So if this is your thing, definitely stock up or ask for a rain check, because we love our cheap bacon. Now we have the Neutrogena. This is also a very good price point. Some of these items, oh my gosh. That body acne body wash, I was very curious about it. $14.99 down to $3.99. Hang on to your wallet though for a second. We have a $3.50 digital coupon, so it makes that guy 49 cents. Walk down that skincare aisle and make it happen. 49 cents is a stock up price. If you ever have body acne, I certainly am. I always have problems with that. So 49 cents is definitely a stock up price. And then on Friday, I was at a different store still looking at the Neutrogena, and I found this guy for $3.29. So it made it 29 cents after the digital coupon. So definitely walk down that skincare aisle. There is some steals and deals and magic happening. Now, for the regular coupon deals, we're going to look at right off the bat, and then we're going to do the $30 baskets at the end of the video. We have our Dove shampoo for $4. We have this, which is a 5 off 2 digital. At the very least, guys, load this coupon today. Cannot stress that enough. Grabbing 2 of these shampoos, that's $8. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $3. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn it in this scenario. It's free and a $2 money maker. Hang on to your receipt and open up the Fetch Rewards app. I have a progressive spend 30, get back 5. You might have a spend 15, get back like 2 or 3. Check your fetch account. But yeah, this is pretty magical. So I have $8 tracking towards my basket, so not too shabby. The Garnier, the whole blends, and the Fructis are on this promotion this week. If you want to do it, do both the whole blends and the Fructis, 2 separate transactions, as the register reward will only print once per transaction. Please pay attention to that. And here's the digital coupon, and some of those stylers are also part of it too if you wanted to go on that avenue. But 2 of these items is $8, guys, and subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $5, get back a $3 register reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per shampoo or styler. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Everybody's favorite deal on the Colgate. We're looking for products for $4, $3 reward when you buy 2. So grabbing 1 paste and 1 brush, because we have $2 digitals on both of these products. So just to show you, and I had no problems loading my digital coupons right in my coupons folder this morning as well. I know a lot of you load your coupons through the weekly ad, but I didn't have to do any of that. Load both of these $2 digitals, guys. So here it is, grabbing 2 of these different Colgate products, that's $8. Subtracting $4, you're going to pay $4, get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But I mean, 50 cents for these dental care products, not the worst dealio. Now, I just wanted to point this out, that if you look at the bottom of that sales tag, valid till August the 31st, this is a month-long deal on the different P&G laundry care of buy 4, get back a $5 register reward. Forgive me, guys, I don't have a picture of all the digital coupons because guess what? The Walgreens app was kind of fussy with me because I think I was in and out of it way too much this morning. So anyhow, grabbing 4 of those items, it's going to be $21.96. We usually get a mix and match of them. Subtracting $5 in digitals, and I think my account has that, I would pay $16.96, get back a $5 register reward, making it $11.96 for the 4 or $2.99 per product. If you do not like the amount of shampoo I have in my $30 basket, this is an alternative deal. And if you're just doing this deal on its own, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your register reward. Obviously, if you're doing it with a spend booster, you can't. You have to pay debit for the balance. Now we're looking at this Head & Shoulders for $6. We have a $3 register reward when you purchase 2. And we also have this wonderful 3 off 2 digital coupon, so please make sure you have it loaded. So grabbing 2 of these Head & Shoulders, that's going to be exactly $12. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $9. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $6 for the 2 or $3 per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Everyone's favorite, these storage bags or food storage bags are buy 1, get 2 for free. So you would get 3 of them and only pay $2.79, and it shakes out each 20 count box to 93 cents, which is definitely a stock up price for these products. I just love this deal. And then we have the Doritos 3 for $9 and your Lay's chips that are 2 for $6. And I'm going to be looking at a very good curbside deal tomorrow, guys. And I'm definitely going to be throwing in some of this food at these prices. Okay, so let's look at our first $30 basket. I know there's a spend 60, get back 12, but we're going to be looking at this $30 basket, and I'm going to try to do a $60 basket in tomorrow's curbside video. We need the extra savings with the coupon code, so this is a $30 video. So have this booster loaded for the first deal. And this is what we're grabbing. 2 Garnier shampoos for $8, 2 Dove shampoos for $8, and the Gillette Labs for $14.99. So these are the products we're grabbing, 5 of them, and it's like $30 and a bit of change. Gillette Labs is $14.99 and a $5 register reward when you buy 1 of these. This is the digital coupon that you should load for your Gillette Labs, which is a $6 off. Very, very generous coupon. Do love. And then just to show you again, you're going to load the 5 off 2 for the Dove and the 3 off 2 for the Garnier. Make sure you have this little friend loaded. This is a very straightforward basket. So just to go through it with you guys, 2 of the Garniers for $8, 2 Doves for $8, $16 right there. 1 Gillette Lab for $14.99 for a total of $30.99. Have your booster loaded, 10 back when you spend $30. You have $14 in digital coupons melting off that I showed you in the slides previous. With your debit card, you're paying $16.99. As this is a spend 30, get back 10 debit card, you're getting back $15 in Walgreens cash. 10 for the booster, 5 for Dove, and then $8 in register rewards, 3 for Garnier, and then 5 for Gillette Labs. So it makes this basket free and a $6.01 moneymaker. And let's not forget to take a quick photo to the Fetch Rewards app. If you have a progressive Dove rebate, it's going to track. Do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash as you're using a spend booster with this deal. The next deal that we have, we're going to use this guy again, and it's just an alternative deal. If you love Nexus, this one is for you. It is to spend $20, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. See the ones that are tagged for $16? Those are the ones that you're going to grab, not the big mama for $27.99. You're going to load this friend, which is a 5 off 2 digital, and this is a very straightforward deal. 2 of those Nexus shampoos tagged at $16 is $32. Have your booster loaded, which is 10 back when you spend $30. Have your digital coupon loaded. You're going to get $5 off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $27. And then you're getting back $20 in Walgreens cash, 10 for the booster, 10 for spending $20 and getting back 10 on Nexus. And then you're going to photograph your receipt to Fetch. If you have that progressive one, you've hit your $30 mark. You're getting back 5,000 points. So it basically makes this $2 for 2 or $1 per Nexus, which is an unheard of deal. And let's not forget, guys, to not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye.